How to grow more food in your garden in 2024. This is actually a special episode for my subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, you can go ahead and move along right now, and that'll allow me to tell everybody how to grow more food in 2024. I'm joking, of course. I hope I got your attention. We are going to talk about how to grow more food in your garden, but if you wanted to subscribe, it wouldn't hurt my feelings. We've got garlic up already. So let's talk about how you can grow more food in your garden. When I stumbled upon this several years ago, I thought folks might be interested. And over the 4 years, I do want to thank you for the 9 million plus views, and I am honored. I'm happy to share what I've learned. You know, I'd never tell another adult how to garden, but I have learned a few things. You might be interested. But let's take a little closer look at the living soil. Now, living soil is about diversity. It's about the organisms that are in the soil, the bacteria that create the glue that builds the structure, the fungus that breaks down the material and makes it plant available. Now, I'm just having fun with dirt and soil and loam and topsoil because it covers the entire surface of the earth and it has enough nutrients to grow all the plants we ever want to grow. Thing is, we have to take care of the life in that soil. And yeah, I'm talking about growing more food in the middle of February where it looks bleak, and I guarantee you it's not above 33 degrees right now. I would love to be planting, but sometimes you have to just take a day off, and today's one of those days. And I'm just like you, I want to grow more food, but on a day like today, it's kind of hard to think about growing more food in your garden. I've got the same challenges, I've got the same doubts, I've got the same worries you have. But we can do it. The life in the soil is what actually makes the nutrients available for the plants. And plants need a lot more than just nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Science has identified at least 42 minerals that plants really need to be really healthy. I am really blessed that you stopped by the garden for a visit. The earth is made up of decomposed rocks and decomposed organic material. It's pretty simple. You mix in the life that's in the soil, the actual food web, the living soil, and it provides all those nutrients to all your plants. Once you can unlock that, and it's very simple, you can do it too. And our recipe for success is to always keep trying, to keep improving the garden, trying new plants, trying new processes, seeing what works. And the overarching theme is to promote the life in the soil, keep the ground covered with a thick layer of mulch, and keep planting. And you will be able to produce more food in your garden. You know, when the wind's blowing your direction, it doesn't hurt to come out and help it out a little bit. Well, we used just a couple minutes, got 4 or 5 nice wheelbarrow loads of leaves out on the garden. Yeah, I cheated a little bit. This was up here close, but I've been letting the wind kind of bring the leaves to the garden, and it beats the heck out of all of them down the road. You know, if you do a little bit at a time, it's not such a big chore. I think the goal is to build a lifestyle of nurturing the land, eating food that we've grown with our own hands. Well, we didn't really grow it, but we created the environment that allowed it to grow. I want to thank all my subscribers. I am truly thankful that you take the time out of your day to come by and visit me in the garden. But I've got a question for you. I had a comment the other day of, why do we need to put mulch down? If you're interested at all, just leave a comment down below, and I'll break this up into several really easy to understand lessons. Of course, I'm pretty simple, so it had to be pretty easy for me to understand. And the main thing I do is I just keep moving forward. I keep planting, and that allows a garden to grow. And it'll allow your garden to grow also. And tomorrow we're going to plant tomatoes. I hope you join me for that. You can do this too. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.